Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Resting Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about saving API response to a file in Bruno. In Bruno, we can save the response data for future reference, allowing you to store the results in various formats. I am going straight into the demo. I have already opened Bruno. In this demo, I will be using authorization collection. I am using the request get favorite airports. This particular request is supporting get HTTP method. I am going to send this request. We have got a 200 status code and this JSON response. Now I am going to save this JSON response into a file. To do that, click on this download icon. The tooltip is save response to file. Just double click on that icon. By default, Bruno will be giving the name as response. I am saving with that name itself. You can give any other name if you want to change this default name. I am going to store this API response file in the authorization collection itself. I am saving it now. The file got saved. Now I am going to check the content of that file. You can see there is a response JSON file getting stored in the collection. I am opening that file in Notepad++. You can see the same response that is shown in the Bruno UI as well. So this is how you can save API response in Bruno using a file. So I hope this session was very useful for everyone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.